Welcome back to Road King's Vehicles, where we explore the most rugged, off-grid capable machines on the planet. Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful and extreme overland vehicles ever built, the 2026 Torsus Praetorian 6x6 Camper Motorhome truck. If you're dreaming of a motorhome that laughs in the face of rough terrain, you're going to want to stick around. The Torsus Praetorian has always been a beast, originally designed as a heavy-duty 4x4 off-road bus used in mining and adventure expeditions. But for 2026, Torsus has taken things to a whole new level with the 6x6 camper version. It's no longer just a vehicle, it's a mobile fortress built for true explorers. Let's start with what lies underneath. This monster is powered by a 6.9-liter Cummins diesel engine, paired with a reinforced 6-speed automatic transmission and, of course, a full-time 6x6 all-wheel drive system. It delivers serious torque, making it capable of handling steep inclines, soft sand, deep snow, and pretty much any terrain you can throw at it. With a raised air intake and a waterproof drivetrain, water crossings are no problem either. This thing can wade through over 3 feet of water with ease. Now, what really sets the Praetorian 6x6 apart is the heavy-duty man chassis, built to handle extreme loads and brutal terrain. Ground clearance sits at nearly 16 inches, and the suspension system uses parabolic leaf springs with heavy-duty dampers to absorb rough impacts. Add in front and rear locking differentials and military-grade tires, and you're looking at unstoppable off-road capability. On the outside, the design is brutally functional but with a certain futuristic charm. It's tall, wide, and aggressive, with sharp geometric lines and a utilitarian vibe. The camper module is seamlessly integrated into the rear section, built using lightweight composite materials for durability and insulation. There are roof-mounted solar panels, external storage boxes, and even a rear ladder to access the rooftop observation deck, ideal for photographers or anyone who enjoys a morning coffee with a view. Now step inside, and you'll be surprised by how refined it is compared to the rugged exterior. The living space is modern, minimal, and extremely practical. You get a fully equipped kitchen with an induction cooktop, fridge freezer, and a deep stainless steel sink. There's a compact wet bath with a composting toilet and hot shower system, and the sleeping area features a queen-sized bed with memory foam mattress and underbed storage. The interior is climate-controlled with diesel-powered heating and high-efficiency air conditioning, ensuring comfort whether you're in the desert or the Arctic Circle. Smart controls manage power, water, and temperature from a central touch screen or mobile app, and the onboard battery bank is charged via roof solar, alternator, or shore power when needed. Capacity-wise, it carries over 250 liters of fresh water, 150 liters of gray water, and enough fuel to give it a driving range of over 1,000 kilometers, perfect for extended off-grid travel. And don't worry about internet and communication, there's a built-in Starlink dish to keep you connected, even in the wild. What really makes the 2026 Torsus Praetorian 6x6 camper unique is that it's more than just a camper, it's an all-terrain command center. It combines expedition-grade durability with the comforts of a mobile apartment. Whether you're crossing Siberia, the Australian outback, or just want the ultimate bug-out vehicle, the Praetorian 6x6 delivers. Of course, with all this performance and capability, it doesn't come cheap. But if you're looking for a vehicle that can take you anywhere in comfort, carry everything you need, and look intimidating while doing it, then this machine is worth every penny. That's it for our look at the 2026 Torsus Praetorian 6x6 Camper Motorhome truck. Let us know in the comments where would you take this monster first. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more overland adventure machines right here on Road King's Vehicles. See you on the next ride.